Experiencing no network connection on Tesco Mobile? This usually stems from weak signal, frequency band incompatibility, or software glitches. First, check your signal strength. On most phones, you can find this in settings or by dialing a code like #0011. If signal is weak, below -100 dBm, move to an area with better reception, away from physical barriers. Next, ensure your phone supports Tesco Mobile's bands: LTE, 4G on 1 2100 MHz, 3 1800 MHz, 7 2600 MHz, 20 800 MHz, and 5G on 1 378 and 78 3500 MHz. Use the Tesco Mobile Coverage Checker app to confirm compatibility and coverage in your area. A quick fix? Toggle airplane mode on and off or force close the Tesco Mobile app to clear caches. These initial checks and soft resets resolve many temporary connection issues. If initial steps fail, perform a network reset on Android. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset, and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This clears saved networks and refreshes your APN settings. On iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset, then Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. This also clears saved networks and refreshes APN settings. Tesco Mobile's APN should be set to Everywhere for data. If auto configuration fails, manually update the APN settings in your mobile network options. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted in the phone. Check for any damage or loose connection that might affect network connectivity. If problems persist, test your SIM card in another compatible device. This helps isolate whether the issue is with your phone or the Tesco Mobile network. Remember, incompatible devices are becoming an increasing problem. Ensure your device fully supports Tesco Mobile's frequency bands, including LTE bands 1, 3, 7, and 20, plus 5G bands 1, 3, 7, 8, and 78. If none of these steps work, contact Tesco Mobile support directly at 0800 591 386 for further assistance.